What's up guys, welcome back to our video. This video I'll be showing you how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions step by step. So to remove the you may like section in TikTok here, you need to understand a few things. Now if you open up TikTok here and click on the search icon at the top right here, as you can see the you may like section will actually give you options or suggestions that you may like, but some of them may not be to what you actually like. They may be just random text here or random suggestions that are popular right now. So in order for you to remove them, you need to clear your history, because most of the feature that you may like for TikTok here is a default one, so you won't be able to hide it immediately. You could just click on refresh here so that it's removed in your you may like here. But how do you actually refresh that? So you go to your profile at the bottom right here, click on the three bar icon at top right, and click on settings and privacy. Now from here, you want to go ahead and go to activity center. You want to go ahead and go to your search history, click on select all search history, click on delete all, and delete. Now what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and go to watch history. Again, you want to go and click on select, click on the select all watch history, and click on delete and delete. Now once you've deleted everything here, it will refresh your algorithm here and what's going to be suggested to you. So let's go to home, click on search again, and you can just click on refresh here. It's going to basically refresh the you may like section here. Hopefully it will hide any of the unnecessary suggestions for you. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.